In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Notion with GitHub. Whether you're managing projects, tracking issues, or simply keeping your workflow organized, combining these two powerful tools can make a huge difference. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure a seamless integration. To begin, head over to your Notion sidebar. Here, you'll want to look for an option called Settings and Members. Once you click on it, you'll find a selection labeled Connections. This is where the magic starts. Within the Connections area, you'll see a list of available apps, and your goal is to find GitHub. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Connect. Now, this action will redirect you to the GitHub OAuth screen. OAuth is essentially a protocol that allows you to grant Notion access to your GitHub account securely. This means you won't need to share your password, making it a safer way to connect the two platforms. Here, you'll need to authorize Notion to access your GitHub account. Don't worry, you can specify exactly which repositories you want to sync with Notion. Take a moment to carefully select the repositories that are relevant to your Notion projects. Once you're satisfied with your selection, confirm the authorization to proceed. With the connection in place, let's move over to your Notion workspace, specifically to the database you want to link to GitHub. In your database, you'll notice a plus sign, which allows you to add a new property. Click on that plus sign, and from the list of options, select GitHub Pull Requests. This new property will serve as a bridge between your Notion database and your GitHub repositories, allowing real-time updates and status changes to flow right into your Notion workspace. The final step is incredibly straightforward yet powerful. Within your Notion database, you can add GitHub issues or pull request links directly into a page. Simply paste the link, and Notion will automatically sync the real-time statuses and updates from GitHub into your database. This means you can track the progress, see current statuses, and stay on top of any changes without leaving Notion. And there you have it, a complete integration of Notion with GitHub. By following these steps, you've created a dynamic link between your project management and code repository tools, streamlining your workflow and ensuring you have the latest information at your fingertips. As you continue to use this integration, you might find ways to customize it further to fit your specific needs, but these steps will provide you with a solid foundation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in getting you started with integrating Notion and GitHub. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy organizing!